The mother of the Los Angeles Angels pitcher who died in a South Lake hotel room says she was aware he had a prescription drug problem years ago, but thought he'd gotten clean. She testified today in the trial for the man accused of giving him the drugs that killed him. Fox 4's Macy Jenkins live in Fort Worth with today's testimony. Macy.
Hi, Steve. Well, it's day 2 of Eric K's trial. We heard more about the events leading up to the death of Tyler Skaggs in the summer of 2019. We heard from former Angels player Andrew Hinney, as well as 2 additional team members on the management or, support staff. We also heard on the stand Tyler Skaggs' mother, who detailed the pressures that her son put himself under to make it to the major league. Eric K. back in federal court Wednesday for day 2 of his criminal trial, accused of giving Angels player Tyler Skaggs the fentanyl-laced drugs that killed him in 2019. K. entered the courthouse today with a visible support system of loved ones by his side. Testimony resumed with former Angels player Andrew Hinney, a close friend of Tyler Skaggs. He testified that Skaggs never offered him drugs, nor did he know about Skaggs' opioid use. Charles Knight, the team's traveling security guard, described entering Skaggs' room on July 1st and discovering his body face down on the bed. He says Skaggs was fully dressed, including boots. His feet were hanging from the bed, and there was a pool of blood. Skaggs' mother, Debbie Hetman, also took the stand, describing her son as humble, loving, and respectful. She said he'd struggled with painkillers in the past, admitting to her a problem in 2013. During questioning, the prosecutor asked, "Did he come home after the 2013 season?" His mother replied, "Yes." The prosecutor asked, "Did you learn anything about him then?" She said, "Yes. He confided to us that he was having an issue with Percocet." But she says the family was under the impression that after counseling and treatment, Skaggs was clean by 2019. The prosecutor asked her, "When you learned of the autopsy results, how did you take that?" Hetman said, "I was angry because I knew my son loved life, and I knew he didn't know there was poison in that pill that killed him." Afternoon testimony painted the picture of Skaggs' South Lake hotel room when his body was discovered. Pillows undisturbed, a room key with white powder on it, water bottles containing a blue-tinted liquid, and a full pill bottle containing blue, pink, and white tablets. Do you guys have anything to say about day 2?
Looking forward to day 3.
Now, at least 5 former and current players are expected to testify over the course of the next week. And as the defense continues to meet its goal, determined to prove that K was not the only drug source for Tyler Skaggs, the defense indicated that they will name former All-Star pitcher Matt Harvey as one of the late player's drug sources.